and we are here. Airport देख के पता चल ही गया होगा. You should recognize with this airport where we are. We are in Goa. Goa, Goa, Goa. And we have come to Goa after more than a year.
A year and 6 months.
A year and 6 months. I came here after Zoe's passing, but Louis is coming here after more than a year. So we are very excited. We are on our way to Candolim, and it takes about 25 minutes from the airport to reach Candolim. That's where I live, that's where we have our home, and that's where we are off to. It's Sunday today, and there's no shops open. But Delfino and Newton's will be open. Look, it's empty. This place is always empty. Finally in Candolim. हमारा घर है यहाँ पे. That's why we always be in Candolim. And we love this place. I like the buzz. I like that there's so many people. Otherwise it's very boring. I mean, I think so. We are right in the middle of everything. घर से बाहर निकला शॉप. घर से बाहर निकला beach. I know there's a lot of honking, but you'll get used to it. The beauty of this place is this place never sleeps. Candolim is our spot because we live here in that lane there. Hi. Okay, so quick update from yesterday. हम लोग इतना थक गए थे, so we went back home and we rested. It's brand new day and I'm going to take you around again today with me. Right now we are going to the gym. That is the gym that we are going to. So I'll see you after I finish workout. Okay, so we finished working out. We went home, we changed, we showered, and now we have got out to go for lunch. There's a lot of traffic behind me and a lot of traffic noise. But anyways, I didn't show you the gym because there's too many people. We were in a hurry. We wanted to finish workout fatafat. So I will show you the gym some other day. But right now we are on our way to eat. You will never see him in a t-shirt in Goa. He loves to walk around without a t-shirt. This gives me so much Sri Lanka vibes, no? Thailand, Vietnam. The restaurant we are going is here by the river. Are you okay with that corner table? Thank you. This is what I am talking about. Simba. Our first course is a gorgeous Caesar salad, which him and me are going to share. That's super yummy salad. This is our main course. Chicken, veggies and rice. Bon appetit! If you ever decide to come to Lazy Goose, make sure you... Okay. Okay, make sure you make a reservation because it generally gets full after like 1:30 p.m. Everyone is a late eater in India, so make sure you make reservations before you come here. Okay, the food is amazing. I love the food at Lazy Goose. I'm trying to get the background, but it's just burning out. Maybe because there's too much sunlight. And here is what I look, and here is what it looks like. And I have to show you something else. Wait. Look. He is patiently waiting for me. Patiently waiting. Did you like the food, Jana?
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah. The food is amazing. That's why we keep coming back here. And, you know, we think it is not so expensive. It's pretty good budgeted restaurant. And we are going to walk it off because we have eaten so much. And we are back at the beach. Yes, we are back on Candolim beach. I hope you can see behind me. This beach is beautiful and it's empty. But obviously it's in the middle of the afternoon. There is a few families there. Not families, yeah, families. There's a lot of people inside the restaurants. My husband is chilling. There is couples doing photo session there. There's romantic couples walking. And I am showing you everything here. देख, okay, मैं आप लोगों को बता दूँ, June, July, August, everything will be shut. So most of these places on the beach जो अभी खुले हैं, which are open, they are going to be shut. So if you are planning to come to Goa, be sure there is no beach shacks that will be open when you come in the rainy season. Of course, there is Marquee Beach Resort and there are a few beach resorts that will be open and they have like direct beach access. But apart from 5-star hotels and 3-star and 4-star hotels, not many places will be open. Okay, so this time we have come to this place called Coast Cafe. It is a very nice place. It's a beach shack, regular wala, but it has a few beach beds. It's very close to the Taj. The Taj is there. And then it has these very cute jhulas, yeah. You can take photos everywhere. Look at all these places. You can take pictures here, there. It is so nice. The location is perfect. It's on Candolim beach. It's called Coast Cafe. So Coast Cafe on Candolim beach. Very nice place. You can see it is packed inside. Like बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Groups of people have come here. And it's really pretty. We like being on this beach. And we have finally found a place that we can come and chill at, which is the Coast Cafe. And we have just left the beach. It's 4:30 or 4:45 in the evening. अब you must be wondering कि यार ये लोग दोपहर को क्यों जाते हैं beach? It is the best thing to do when you are on a beach holiday, isn't it? Louis and me love going to the beach. We love spending our afternoons on the beach. And we like getting tanned. I know in India a lot of people don't like being tanned. But I like being tanned. And that's why I am so brown. Okay, so now I'm taking you to one of our favorite cafes in Candolim. And that is called the Cafe Candolim. This is where Louis and me often go for our coffees and sandwiches. They have some really nice sandwiches. So if you are a fan of chicken sandwich or any sandwiches, come to Cafe Candolim, and their coffees come with banana cake. Oh my god, I think I take a coffee only to eat the banana cake. I love their banana cakes. Yes, so I am going to have a coffee, banana cake, and we are going to share a sandwich. Look how pretty this is. That is a bar and restaurant. Goa has some really nice places. This is what it looks like. There's a lot of traffic on this road, but it's afternoon time right now, so there's not so much compared to earlier. Yeah, so I think after 6 o'clock in the evening, everyone goes to the beach. Everyone wants to go and dip their toes in pani, so there will be a lot of crowd on the streets, people going to the beach. But right now it's not so crowded. We are finally here at Cafe Candolim. This is Cafe Candolim. This is in front of Akron Homes and a big red house. But this is Cafe Candolim. The owners are from Bombay. Hi, how are you? And this is our favorite spot. I think that's your phone. I always forget. See what I have done. We've almost finished the sandwich. I didn't show you what it looked like. I didn't show you the presentation, but this is the chicken sandwich, and it comes with a bit of salad and potatoes.